Blessed Tuesday, people. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Rock but come in. Rock but come in. Because some of them are asked what Dana have. Some of them are talk about Dana not getting views on YouTube. Dana pop down and all these things. But yet still, some of them can't move, can't train them pampas. You see me? They on the social media app every day. I tell be a lie and I chat all kind of bullshit and them life is going down the drain. Remember to please like and share. Now this trending fish or trending drama you want talk about him say this a kabati boy upon him life and the while talking about Dana and doing all this kind of stupidness to him own self while forgetting some pampas want change and a lot of things need to be rectified in a film headspace. You see me? Youth, you're asking a question what Dana have. You said Dana pop down and nothing at all now going for Dana. Now take a look at yourself. I always hear this growing up, Take the matter out of your eye before you take it out of somebody's eye and thing. Look for yourself and thing. Look at yourself. What have you achieved in a life being on social media? What have you achieved in a real life? Nobody not have you as no brand ambassador. Nobody not call you and get a work for you. You see me? Them see you as a big bitch. The people them not gonna employ in a big bitch work for them company. You see me I say? Now, if you want to compare yourself with Dana, that is fine because you know you're gonna be a big shame bitch loser. Cry, baby, mooch and down, take off your shoes and go to your bed. This ain't no joke thing. Dana been through the worst. You talk to Dana get rejected and she come on social media seek love. Dana need no love on social media. Even if Dana had a bad past in the future in which I do not know that. You said that. See me, if she had a bad past and thing, her future is looking brighter. Look at your future. Be a trouble, be a crisis. See me? You hook up in a wheelchair and all these things. So who is living a better life? Dana is an ambassador. See me I say? She own a lot of businesses. And she's a lot and she have a lot of things going on. Remember, don't forget Miss Birdie and many others. I can't name them people. So trending drama, when you talk, you need to come with clarification. You see me I say? You need to come with qualification because I doubt you have a subject. I doubt you have even a subject coming from Jamaica. You are so dunce. Listen how you talk. You can't even construct a sentence good. No, when you talk about Dana and I say them things about the lady, you don't have no facts in your argument. You just saying things because you're upset that the Plankateer them reject you. Them don't like you because you are a dog shit. You see me I say I doing a dog shit. We cover dog shit. So right about now, Dana cover you. She cover you with success. Youth, you can't compare yourself with Dana. See me? You is a reject. You is a waste of time on social media. You is a dirty bastard. You're not going away. So I understand how you depend on the app and make a fool of yourself, brother. I not ever talk to you. I guess you now listen though. Well, who can you feel? So you can go and make a fool of yourself and thing and feel so your life are better. Your life ain't gonna be no way at all better. Your life are gonna be the same way. Your life are gonna go down the drain. Because all you do is crave for negative things. And everything at all Dana doing good, you give her credit back then. But now, me see you come out now like you have a revolution going on against Dana and the Plankateer and them. Yeah, man. But if you understand this, Dana never beg you for nothing at all. Dana never beg in a friendship. Dana do for your own thing. You have to run back at Dana to get recognition. See me? Dana never asks you for anything at all. You is the one who stretch out your hands. You is the one who come to Jamaica. Dana never come to your yard. So get that in your head. You go to the yard and thing. For what some strange ways that I do not know. And you know see you cripple up. And you know see now you have a good life. But yet still, you depend people name. Who now go through no stress. Who live better life than you. Who happier than you. You see me I say? Me not understand where you come from, brother. Me not understand what you try to do, but you flop. See me? So you see, time you rather talk about Dana, talk about yourself. Put yourself in that equation. Look by your life. And look upon how you have become so self-destruct. Look at how you have become the most hated person on social media. Look how you have become the most cripplest person upon social media behaving like how you are. You see me? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. And how can you how can you talk bad about somebody who make it already? You see me? Who's getting help if they want help from any donors that is interested. But you, on the other hand, you are being a wicked individual. But you don't understand yourself. You feel say anything at all that impact Dana, and that touch Dana, no. That impact you because when you realize that Dana now respond back to you, when you raise your night and message across, you are gonna start to move different. You're gonna start to eat yourself. You see me? I know you stay in you love cry like a baby, you know. Yeah, man, we know when your pampers are and you cry, so we have to make sure so we see your pampers change. You see me? So when you have to say certain things about Dana, you have to think about what you are saying. Dana is not perfect, but you try your best to make things right with our followers them. But you, on the other hand, you just a miserable person. You're just a person that love to talk all kind of shit. See me? I mean, want to eat shit because you love chat about shit. Never want to eat shit because there's no way at all there can be any comparison between you and Dana. Because guess what? You is a big waste man. If you see a man like you or a girl like you, call yourself Duisha, if you're on the media and I talk about Dana and you know the truth, you know the truth. You know, so Dana involved in a scamming activity. You know everything I talk about. No, you try to round up your 1 and 2 followers, them, make them send you all kind of gift give money slash love and everything them. And you know in yourself, you know in your blasted self. But I'm say again, people, this a brother not gonna learn. This a brother gonna content them do because him have an agenda. And until him feeling get hurt and him realize that damn, you know, say wrong thing me I thought, I shouldn't do this and that, he's gonna come around again and behave as if he's devil reject. See me? But if you understand, say, is every action to a reaction, and it's how you move towards a certain thing, that's why people pray you. And if you understand, this also again trending fish. Dana never look upon you from day one and approach you and beg you any money. And you are the one that send the money come give Dana. But yet still you say you want back money. Talk truth. Talk truth. You are the one who say you want back money. You are the one who say this and say that about Dana. But yet still your life can't happy. You see me? Your life will never be happy because you choose the wrong way. You choose the wrong formation. And that's not right. See me? So you see time you step on social media talk about Dana and I said the woman pop down and she look friend from people who tell her about our mother friends think. Me I said to myself, say, that youth are sick in her head and him not gonna stop until himself destroy him oneself. And then him gonna start ball like a baby to people and thing. You see me I say, but you have 1 and 2 I gonna feel sorry for him and thing, but I know idea still trending drama. No man, me not understand what your motive, but Father God probably see it and him probably know, and probably Father God now act on it same time. But me I tell you, dog, you look stupid. You know me I say, what you do? Just like make your body and everything at all just go down the drain. Because remember this, don't you trouble Zion. Dana never trouble you. She never come for you. She never address you. You see me? And if she did address you and thing, that would be you see me? But people sleep more, sleep no, yeah, man, sleep and not me very in the morning. Yeah. But make that trending fish to go and waste film time on the media. Make him go and waste up film time because he must know the reason why. He might move like that. He must see the outcome. It's me answer because not at all last forever. And if him feel same can come and come talk about Dana in the way how him feel like and thing, he might make a sad mistake because this time now, he might just fall in the trap and the enemy them. And the enemy them will be laughing at him and say, yeah man, look come drawing at this. You see me? Some are too dirty, some are too bad mind, some are not living a life. See me? Someone now have no life. I walk and come on the media, come chat bad about people. It's very unfair for no say, yo, that brother, yeah, I go for Dana all out and thing. See me, and the woman never trouble him. The woman never busy about him. And this brother every day the same thing. But no why never stay so. Eh? Why you can't see people and leave them alone? Hmm? The worst thing about you is that they don't even see you, should even talk about you. And you just have to make a fool of yourself. You see me? But I say go here, Father God. Make the brother go and waste time and things. So see what sing over me, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks everyone for liking. Stay tuned as usual. When we drop new videos, we'll get them first. I'm out.